Hello and welcome to another episode of Momento Malum today. Within the history of Canadian agriculture, the Canadian horse is one major milestone. This horse breed was the first known horse breed in North America. This lineage is the foundation of many American breeds like the American Saddlebred, the Standardbred, the Appaloosa, the Northern Plains Mustang, and the Morgan. This breed traces its lineage back to the horses sent from Louis XIV's royal stables to the colony of New France in the mid-17th century. In spite of the colony's harsh climate and the absence of forage, shelter, and pasture, the foundation herd of less than 100 horses increased to 30,000 by 1784. As a result, the Canadian horse earned the title the Little Iron Horse for its durability and for the physical power of this breed. In 1988 and 2002 respectively, the Canadian province of Quebec and Canada itself officially recognized the Canadian as a heritage breed and our national horse. Time has a tendency to destroy memories, however, and now the breed languishes in both relative obscurity and on the brink of extinction. The confirmed number of this breed consists of a population of 2,456 horses. To prevent its extinction, the McGill University based in Quebec would team up with Texas A&M to do a genetic analysis to determine the genetic diversity and population structure of the breed, so that conservation strategies can be made. This would be done to obtain the genetic diversity of this breed, so that this breed could be compared against other breeds, and here are the results. The researchers found that the highest genetic diversity was in the Morgan and South Francis breeds, with the Clydesdale population having the lowest gene pool among the horses studied. The Canadian breed had a higher level of genetic diversity than the lower ranking ones, making them closer to the Morgan horse in terms of genetic diversity, in spite of only having a small population. All the breeds cluster together into distinct genetic groups, all of which can be seen on the next slide. The Canadian breed clustered with the draft horses that formed one genetic group. The genetic analysis was able to discover that the Canadian breed is closely related to the Percheron, Breton, and Dale's pony. It was found to be a composite breed, formed through the mingling of these lines, with occasional crossbreeding with other breeds. These facts explain why the gene pool has remained relatively large, even with the decline in population. The genetic data also confirmed that the Canadian horse is mostly derived from French draft breeds. And that about covers everything. Thank you for watching. If you want to donate to my channel, the links are below. If you want to buy my book, you can also find that link in the description box below.